Hey, Defiant 2 here, on my Defiant 2 account. So Alice asked good questions. She was asking questions regarding all the symbols on the bases when you go to attack somebody. For instance, right here, as you can see, you'll see all the towers, you'll see their levels, but as you can see next to them, there's lines with symbols and images and whatnot, and we didn't quite understand what all of them were and or meant. So that's what this video is going to be about, because in our quest to answer these questions, we have figured it out, and it has something to do with your dragon perches and your dragon riders. So what I'm first going to show you is one of my alt bases, and I'm going to show you the basic image. Alright, so when you go to attack a player, these are the images that pop up. As you can see, just above the number 5 square, there is a dragon. That is your dragon perch and the level it is at. So I have a level 27 dragon perch. Above that shows 3 orange little shooting things, like flames, basically. That means that the dragon on that perch is a sorcerer dragon. And my dragon just happens to be legendary. Above that orange symbol, the 3 flaming balls, or whatever you want to call them, is an ice symbol. The dragon I have perched on there, its element is ice. That's how I figured that out. Then above that is the number 2 little box. But if you go to the right of that, there's a little orange symbol. In that, it's like a hexagon looking symbol with, again, more like little shooting objects. That is a super shot boost. So let me kind of go in and show you what I mean. So the dragon I have equipped on this perch isn't the exact same, so it's going to be a little bit different. But if you click on your perch, this is what comes up. It gives you the name of the sea gazer perch. It's level 29. If you click the dragon, it's going to pop up, and notice all the little symbols to the right of the dragon. It shows you all the symbols, but it doesn't tell you what they are. A little confusing because you're trying to figure out what they are. If you tap on them, all it does is tell you 10% ice resistance and increases nearby towers HP by 15%. Not very helpful, right? Well, if you notice, to the left of this little box is the Sea Gazer Perch title with a little eye symbol. If you click on that, that is where you figure out what each symbol means. So for this instance, for this account, the dragon that I have equipped is a warrior. That's why you get the little orange flame, just flame shooting out and like it's hitting an object. And of course, that dragon is legendary, so next to it says legendary. I'm not 100% sure what the white flame means, but I have a feeling it has something to do with the dragon's attack power, which is 80k on that perch. Next to it, you'll see the ice symbol, which is the 10% ice resistance. So if somebody's attacking with an ice dragon, they're not going to have as easy of a time. The little orange symbol in the hexagon is a little different. It's the little arrows, 3 little arrows. This is a tower health boost. It basically keeps your towers alive a little bit longer. The super shot works the opposite. Your towers can be killed a little bit easier, but they deal more damage with their super shots. So it gives you a super shot boost. Both of these symbols add a 15% boost. So that's what those symbols mean. So in our angst to figure out what these mean, I have finally discovered what the informations are. So resource buffs will select the highest buff on the 3 perches. Battle buffs will apply the one on the perch that covers the building. Not 100% sure what that means. So next I'm gonna go and look at my other account. Scroll. I'm low level on this team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attack my highest level, and we're going to go back into what is a more clear image. So as you can see on this, it'll show all those same images that I was talking about. So on the first post or dragon perch, it's a level 47. It's my highest perch, and it's right as it's rounding to my kill island. Next to it is the 3 little fireball shots. That's the sorcerer dragon to indicate it's a sorcerer dragon. The little ice flame indicates that the dragon I have equipped on that perch is the ice element, and it's got the super shot symbol. So that basically boosts those towers super shots. My next perch is only a level 21. Again, it's a sorcerer dragon, and again, it's the ice element, and again, it's a super shot. The dragon I have on the level 47, if you come to the map view, I have a rider on this dragon, equipped with this dragon. We were thinking that there's supposed to be a gold image with a heart, like a gold tower thing, and I'll show you that in a second on one of our players' accounts. But it's a gold castle rook-like looking thing that has a heart in the middle of it. I'm not seeing that on this account, so I'm not 100% sure what that means. So I kind of don't have answers as far as that goes. Atlas, if you're watching this, it doesn't make sense. I don't know what that means for Hawk's base. But what we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll find Hawk's base, Hawkman's base, and we'll view it. And when you go to map view, you won't see this symbol. So I don't know what it means. We thought it had something to do with the Dragon Rider, but I can't find it. But as you can see, just under this little one white square box, there's that golden looking thing that has a heart in the middle. Until I can figure out what that means, I have no idea. Its placement, there's nothing near it on the map view that I can think of that would indicate what it is. And it's not like I can click on his perches and stuff and see it. So I don't know what that means, and I didn't mean to back out of that. But yeah, so on his account though, you can see he has a level 30 dragon perch up at the top, a sorcerer dragon of the ice element with a super shot boost, and then he has a level 56 perch with a warrior dragon of the dark element, and he has a tower health boost. So that is what those symbols mean. I'd have to do some more research onto what that little golden thing symbol means. But for now, at least I have an explanation for those symbols and how to find them and figure out what they mean. But with that, Defiant 2